tremor, more than just a shake. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the word tremor. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Let's dive in. A tremor is essentially a small or mild shake or vibration that happens involuntarily. This can relate to various aspects, from human bodies to geological phenomena. When you think of a tremor, you might think of someone's hands shaking. It is true that many people experience tremors in their hands, especially as they get older. But tremors can occur in other parts of the body as well, and they might be caused by a variety of factors, such as medical conditions like Parkinson's disease, nervousness or extreme emotions, certain medications, excessive caffeine intake. For instance, if someone says, "I was so nervous that I had a tremor in my hand," it means they were shaking slightly due to their anxiety. In geology, a tremor refers to a slight earthquake or earth vibration that is not typically associated with the violent breaking activity of a full-fledged earthquake. They are often felt but are not strong enough to cause damage. For example, if someone mentions, "We felt a slight tremor last night," it means there was a minor earthquake in their area. To solidify your understanding, let's see how tremor can be used in a sentence. 1. After drinking 3 cups of coffee, Jenna noticed a slight tremor in her hand. 2. The city was hit by a minor tremor, but fortunately, no one was hurt. 3. Her voice had a tremor of emotion, indicating she was trying hard not to cry. And that wraps up our exploration of the word tremor. Now you're equipped to use this word in various situations, understanding both its human and geological contexts. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey, so keep exploring and practicing. Until next time,